Welcome to another video in the Luxygen world of skyscrapers and megastructures. In this video, we will take you on an insider's tour of SoFi Stadium in Inglewood, California. SoFi Stadium was most recently the amazing venue for Super Bowl 56, held on February 13, 2022. If you watched the big game, then you would have been blown away by the spectacle that was the halftime show featuring a concert by the likes of Dr Dre, Snoop Dog and Eminem, among other rap, hip-hop, and R&B megastars. SoFi Stadium made its amazing debut for Super Bowl 56 and will undoubtedly be the future venue for star-studded concerts, NFL football games, Summer Olympic Games, and other world-class events. Say hello to this year's NFL season's most magnificent newcomer. The SoFi Stadium is the home of the Los Angeles Rams and the Los Angeles Chargers. This groundbreaking structure cost moreover $5 billion, making it the most costly sports venue in the world. This magnificent indoor-outdoor complex includes not only the league's newest, greatest, and most technological advanced stadium, but also a 6,000-seat performance area, a 2-acre plaza, a 25-acre community park, and a 5.5-acre lake. The SoFi Stadium, along with its surroundings, will play a crucial part in enticing local supporters and attracting fans from further afield, as both the Rams and Chargers begin to set their foundations in sunny California. Take a closer look at this multi-billion-dollar sporting marvel. The SoFi Stadium, which was funded and created by Rams owner Stan Kroenke, is meant to be much more than just a football field. The stadium will be the focal point of a massive entertainment, retail, commercial, and residential development that will cover over 300 acres of lush greenery. This new mega project has a lot going on in and around it. You get the idea from the new NFL media offices to the retail spaces, hotels, apartment buildings, and parks. The biggest feature is, of course, the clearly large arena. It is currently the country's third largest stadium, with a game day seating capacity of 72,000. The SoFi Stadium can also be expanded to hold up to 1,000 people, which is a great party trick. When the FIFA World Cup and the Summer Olympic Games come to the United States, that will come in handy. The seating configuration is quite standard in most stadiums. However, its proximity to the playing field is at the limit of what the NFL will allow, which is excellent for the fans for obvious reasons. In terms of normal capacity, the 920-seat Rose Bowl in Pasadena and the 770-seat Coliseum nearby would trump the SoFi Stadium. But at nearly 100 years old, they're both terribly obsolete and don't even come close. When we look at the features, it's clear that the SoFi Stadium has set a new benchmark for sports stadiums. The SoFi Stadium is brimming with the best of everything, from beginning to end. We're talking top-of-the-line technology, opulent executive suites, superb food, and impeccable amenities. Everything you'll need to create an unforgettable and enthralling experience. The gigantic 360-degree video screen that dominates the arena's interior is the most visible illustration of the incredible technology on display. The screen is 20% longer and 50% broader than the conventional football field that lies just below it, measuring 120 yards long and 75 yards wide. The double-sided 80 million pixel 4K Oculus display is the world's largest video board for a sporting stadium, providing every spectator with a perfect view of close-up games, quick replays, commercials, and of course, the score. With a weight of over 1,000 tons, suspending the screen was no easy undertaking. But it wasn't the most difficult engineering challenge the SoFi design team faced. Because of the stadium's proximity to the LAX airport, it was necessary to observe tight height limitations throughout construction. The lower levels playing fields are really 30 meters below ground level, minimizing the venue's vertical size significantly. More than 5 million square meters of dirt had to be dug and dispersed throughout the site for the stadium vault. The streamlined roof contributes to the SoFi's low profile, which is a fantastic feature in and of itself. The shield-like roof's asymmetric form functions as a giant air duct, driving the ocean breeze through its aerodynamic shape and causing the stands and fans to sway. On those very hot summer days, massive 60 by 60 foot sliding vents can be opened even further, improving airflow. The entire roof is covered with a frit pattern of ethylene tetrafluoroethylene, or ETFE, a very durable translucent plastic that shades visitors and lessens the sun's heat by about 50%. Despite the fact that California is not known for its frequent showers, the enclosed roof will keep everyone within dry, while retaining an outdoorsy fresh airfield. A number of massive pillars surrounding the stadium's periphery. These supports not only sustain the stands and the bulk of the roof's construction, but they also conceal another crucial component. Because the stadium is so close to the Newport-Inglewood fault line, it is highly vulnerable to small and major earthquakes. Each of the supporting pillars include an isolatory jet to prevent the building from collapsing under the load of a tremor. This allows the structure to flex and move without inflicting any serious harm. The SoFi Stadium's Lake Park, the other key attraction of this huge construction, is connected to the stadium via a multitude of well-designed pathways and running tracks. The park will be open to the public all year, providing a beautiful respite for both visitors to the stadium and local Inglewood residents. The neighboring artificial lake was inspired by the lake that used to be in the midst of the Hollywood Park racetrack, which was once on the same property. The newly added water attraction is surrounded by a unique array of exotic trees, plants, and flowers meant to imitate the natural habitat seen in the Mediterranean, the Cape of Africa, and sections of Chile, and is topped up using water running from all about the complex. The park's gardens are highly unique and provide an inspiring environment for those looking to get away from the city. Unlike other multi-billion-dollar developments, the SoFi Stadium checks all of the requirements and is expected to be a major asset for not only the state of California, but also the people of California, particularly those who reside nearby. Thousands of jobs have been created and will continue to be created as a result of the development, as well as countless additional annual tourists and the launch of many new locally owned companies. As present constraints are relaxed and the arena begins to hold more events, the SoFi Stadium will undoubtedly establish itself as America's flagship facility. What do you think of the SoFi Stadium? Please let us know by commenting your ideas below. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that you learned a little bit more about the SoFi Stadium. Please join us again for another LuxyGen video. To stay updated to our newest videos and content, please hit the like button, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to give you more videos in the future. Until then, take care and see you in the next LuxyGen video.